ano ang current situation ng collective ko as of now. Grabe. I know, I look haggard. Okay lang yan. Agad linis, agad pintura ng bahay. Yeah. Okay. May collective, someone cut you off. At medyo parang naramdaman ko na it left you out of the cold. Parang ganon. But you keep hoping and praying na bumalik tong taong to, no? And I think you can feel this person even na hindi kayo nag-uusap. Nakikita mo siya sa dreams mo, or might be both of you communicating to telepathy if you are believing that, or through songs. However, you still lost kasi parang maniniwala ba ako sa ganitong connection kasi wala to in 3D, only in 5D, and only in my delusional. Yun yung naririnig ko, parang tingin mo delusional siya, or hindi mo alam kung totoo yun or hindi, no? I'm so sorry. Nakagard ako, may nangyari kasi before ko gawin yung reading na to, no? So, yeah, let's see. Ano ba ang dapat mo paniwalaan? Okay? Dapat ka bang maniwala sa intuition mo or in 3D? Well, to be honest, let's see kung ano yung mas makakatulong sa'yo, okay? Kasi I know the rules in 3D, diba? So, yeah. Anong dapat mong paniwalaan? Okay, justice is nagpapakita rito, no? And strength. So, yung bagay na tingin mo mabibigyan mo ng sarili mo ng justice, pero kailanganin mo ng strength. I don't know ano yung meaning nun sa'yo. Ano ba yung justice para sa'yo? Okay? Ito ba yung justice na kailangan mo mag-move on? So, kailangan mo magkaroon ng strength? O ito yung justice na dapat itanong mo ng kausapin mo yung person mo, pero kailangan mo ng strength. So, nakadepende yan sa'yo. Okay? Kasi yeah, you're feeling left out of the cold. And actually, you're making a dangerous, risky behavior or strategy sa buhay mo. Pero even though you try to move forward or to lie to yourself, nasasaktan mo yung sarili mo, okay? Even lie to other people na you're okay, no? But I think you're really not, no? Kasi nakikita natin to. You need to know kung ano yung bagay na magpapahil sa'yo. Anong sitwasyon yung magpapahil sa'yo. Mag-move forward, lumayo, kausapin siya, ano ba? Kasi, huwag mo daw titingnan ko ano yung outcome, okay? Kung ang magpapahil sa'yo is makausap tong person na to, despite na magiging oo or hindi ang sagot niya, then, choose that. If, ano naman, kung makakapagpahil sa'yo is mag-move on, kahit hindi mo siya makausap, kung ano man ang mangyari sa buhay mo, then, yun ang gawin mo. It's really up to you. Yun ang sinasabi ng guides mo. So, tingnan naman natin kung ano ang gustong nilang sabihin sa current situation mo. Tarot Angels, will stop me sa guides ng collectives ko, please. Thank you, Tarot Angel ko. Okay. Yeah, I really think I need to see that. Okay. You have to let go of your addictions. Yun yung isang sinasabi ng guides mo, no? To have this blessing that you really want. So, kung ano may blessing na yun sa'yo is to move forward or to talk to your person, is really up to you. Okay? Yung pleasure nandito rin once na give up mo yung mga addictions mo. I really don't know at hindi ko natitignan kung ano man yun. So, they can give you the key. You really want to have your own place or yung bagay na you feel at home. They can give you that once na giniba po yung mga addictions mo. Nga lang, tandaan mo, if you stay sa current situation mo, a lot of direction kukunin ng ibang tao para sa'yo. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Parang halimbawa, sinabi mo yung plano mo, kinuha ng taong yun. Kasi you stay parang codependency or sinabi mo yung gagawin mo pa lang, biglang sinabi, hindi mo kaya yan, wag dyan, wag ka, hindi pwede yan, hindi mo kausapin yan, wag mo ano yan, hindi yan para sa'yo, ano yan, ganyan yan. Then, yeah, mawawala yun, okay? Mawawala yun ng ganun-ganun na lang. Mananakaw yung naka-destiny na para sa'yo if you will not give up. Codependency din. Kung isa yun sa addictions mo, no? Kasi yeah, yung mga friends mo lang din or mga tao na nasa paligid mo na, alam mo yun, may kababata mo, may pinsan mo or what, yung mga sinasabi nila at yung mga pinapaniwalaan mo, yung traditional belief na yan, maaring mawala sa'yo yung nakatadhana para sa'yo. Okay, collective? So, sana natulungan kita rito. And kung gusto mo ng private reading, PM me here in TikTok on in my FB, Ohanas Tribe, okay? Kung gusto mo kong follow sa YouTube, follow me there. Okay, kung yun sa YouTube ka na din, follow me sa Ohanas Tribe in TikTok and in FB. Okay, so yeah, may client ako. I'm so sorry, but make a better choice for yourself. Okay? Hindi ko saan ka komportable, kundi kung saan ka magiging saya.